I think it's a deer horn, right?
Wow, who found that?
We found that. That's
right.
why we were going there.
Yeah, it's an antler from a white-tailed deer. If it's that, it could be, you know, also influenced by municipal water. Yeah. One kind of behind another one.
Naturalist event. Just trying to be funny, you know.
Reine Toilette. Ella mit so der Person. Kann man das enjoy?
Is that right? And it was one of the first projects Hill Country Conservancy got involved in.
It was the first project.
Yep.
Hill Country didn't even exist at the time. They did not have their 501c3. And we were in a huge hurry to get this contribution done before my mother was in very bad health. So we were in a big panic to get all this done before she passed. So
that was her wish, right?
Oh, absolutely. No.
That it could be, you know, Yeah, it's an antler from a white-tailed deer.
Okay.
It's really cool. And there are a few white-tailed deer on the property. They actually, Hill Country Conservancy might prefer that there not be because they eat the native plants, you know, and there's no natural predator for them. And here. More info on their website, hillcountryconservancy.org. And the group is epic. And once again, thanks everybody for getting up early on a Saturday and finding this way.
Thank you, Michael.
Yay!
As always.